These are pretty sharp nails. How sharp? Well, let's see. If you ever wanted to know what it feels like to be guillotined, here it comes.
Oh no.
Oh my God!
It's just a bit more pressure.
This is before I ask
All right. The two main concepts are the concept of pressure and the concept of inertia. If you then take my weight and spread it over 1,000 nails, each nail is only supporting a very small fraction of my weight and doesn't then penetrate your skin. What I really like is how hands-on it is. Even if they only remember one demonstration that I did, that might help them if they're struggling with the material. The nails are sharp. If you look at my back, it's as if I've gone to the acupuncture. I think I survived.